Welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, you will learn how to cut a precision, round line haircut. This haircut can be cut at any length. A great option for medium to long, one-length haircuts. We start with a profile section, starting at the front, through the apex, through to the crown, down to the nape, where we take horizontal sections. We direct our section into natural fall, using our comb to hold our section in place whilst cutting a straight line. Cutting small sections at a time. We move our body position with every section. We sit in front of our cutting section and continue to direct the hair into natural fall, straight down from each section, before cutting. Check your balance before moving to your next section. We continue this process moving around the head shape. This technique can be used to cut a medium or long round line haircut. Make sure you can clearly see your guide before cutting. We use our comb and scissors to control each section down into its place before cutting, with even hydration and tension. Use your scissors to tap the section to lower the elevation. I have also flipped my scissors, so my wrist feels more fluid, cutting the line. Depending on your client's growth patterns, cutting at 0° elevation can make the root area jump up once dry. Cutting between your fingers will distort even tension and also create elevation, which will result in unwanted graduation on your precision line. Using your comb is a great way to measure your balance. I've chosen to cut this haircut through my comb, as I find it's the best way to control even tension and also create a more precise elevation. When using your comb, instead of pushing the section onto the client's neck, we simply direct the hair straight down from the head shape and cut at a comb's width from the neck. When every subsequent section is cut like this, it will help you to cut that amazing precision line. Once we reach the occipital bone, we take this section through to the front on both sides. Perfect precision lines are one of the hardest techniques to master with perfection, so be patient with yourself. It's not an easy task to master. I'm always focusing and working hard on mastering this technique. If you struggle controlling your section, simply try using the fine teeth of your comb. We now work from the center section through to the front on both sides, moving our body position around the head shape. This helps us to create a round line haircut, as we don't want to create corners in our shape. When we reach the ear area, we use our scissors to elevate the hair over the ear into our comb. We direct the hair down and simply tap above and below the ear. This helps to accommodate for the ear's protuberance. Cutting a guide for the opposite side can help to avoid accidental, uneven sides when cutting one-length haircuts. It's important to cut at eye level or slightly under your cutting line, cutting small sections at a time. This is our guide for the rest of this haircut. We continue the same process, working around the head shape. If you value my content and want to support my channel, simply hit the like button and subscribe, and feel free to ask any questions in the comments below. I appreciate and value all your support. Working with clean small sections will help you see your guide and help you to control possible growth patterns in the area. We use our comb as a ruler, simply directing the hair from the section in natural fall down to our cutting guide. We follow the head shape to maintain our round shape. This mannequin has curly hair. You'll notice her hair flicking up after cutting. Don't let this distract you. As long as you're working with consistent distribution and elevation, you will be fine. We continue to direct every section down into natural fall, using minimal tension and the same elevation, whilst our body position is in front of every section, moving around the head. We continue these steps until we complete the haircut. When reaching the top sections, it can help to use the wide teeth end of your comb, or cut every section 5 mm over your guide. This can help to avoid any unwanted graduation. I wouldn't usually cut a round line haircut this length. Round line haircuts look better at shoulder length or longer. Square line haircuts look much better this length. If you haven't already watched my square line or triangular line tutorials, the links are in the description below. After you learn all three basic line shapes, round, triangle, and square, you can combine these shapes to create a haircut. For example, you could cut the back section round and the front section square. Another example would be to cut the back section square and the front section triangle. Understanding these shapes and what they create will allow you to cut a personalized haircut for your clients. We are now moving on to our final section. With the top section, it's really important that you comb every section into natural fall. Use minimal tension. Position your body to be eye level with the line before cutting. Using the wide teeth of your comb or extending the length 5 mm over the guide can be great tools to make sure we don't end up with any unwanted graduation in our precision line. You may notice how I use my scissors with the reverse grip. I will be creating a tutorial showcasing all the different grips you can use that will make cutting hair a lot more effective and comfortable. We flat wrap the hair into natural fall to prepare the hair for refining the line. When refining the line, I am using a club cutting technique, visually working around the haircut. Moving your client's head from side to side, or back and forth, can help you assess your line. This will help to make sure your line is cut with precision. Try to allow enough time for this process, as I find it the most crucial to achieving a perfect result. When refining the line, I also use a point cutting method to soften the shape and to cut any unwanted graduation. This technique will also collapse the line by removing weight. This can make the line sit flatter to the neck and look more streamlined. Continue to check your work in the mirror from below and above. A solid line haircut is a salon classic that suits all age groups, from children to grandmas. This haircut is perfect for professionals and also for quirky, creative clients. If you haven't already, check out my line haircut playlist. I cover all three shapes. Thanks again for watching. You rock my world. This past year on YouTube has been amazing. I appreciate every like, subscription, and all the incredibly supportive comments. Next week, I will be creating a tutorial breaking down everything you need to know to master the line haircut and a breakdown of understanding the three shapes. See you then.